When you're working on cleaning water bodies, tracking progress matters, not just for efficiency, but for transparency too. That's where our dashboard comes in. It brings together everything you need to understand the impact of each operation, all in one place. Right from the main screen, you get an overview of the key numbers: total trash collected, CO2 savings, waste categories, trends over time, and the live status of the robot. For deeper insight, there's a detailed operation list, calendar view, and detailed reports, making it easy to review the progress. We can also integrate water quality tracking and geotagged data, which is especially useful for understanding environmental shifts and long-term impact. The summary view ties it all together, showing overall totals and operation tables. You also get a visual story with before and after comparisons, trash photos, and map views of each activity area. It's a simple, powerful tool to stay on track, stay accountable, and stay focused on creating cleaner water bodies.